Secretary of Imphal Naga Forum AS Hungpro Simre has expressed deep concern over the tarnished reputation of Manipur due to the ongoing turmoil, deeming it a matter of shame in the eyes of neighboring states and countries. He emphasized the imperative of restoring peace, highlighting its positive impact on fostering harmony amongst the diverse communities within the region. He made this statement while attending the Peace and Solidarity with the Victims of the Crisis event held at Tarnishes office at Kurai Ahungai. Speaking at the event, he highlighted that the ongoing turmoil has inflicted severe impact on the people of Manipur. Instead of harboring thoughts of revenge, embracing a path towards peace will bring harmony among the communities. Citing that in other states, ongoing issues are often resolved within a span of 2 months, he further emphasized that the government should not take satisfaction in the fact that the turmoil has persisted over a year. He also urged for the immediate restoration of peace and normalcy in Manipur. Padma Shri awardee and advisor of Tarnishes Aribam Shyam Sharma, along with Secretary of the Imphal Naga Forum, AS Hungpro Simre, and Senior Advocate Khaidem Mani, observed a 2-minute silence in solidarity, paying homage to the departed souls as a part of the event.
Manipur'da chahi ama pharak pasi akoi nungaiba thodokti nate migi lamda Sumaina irang folk pasi heta chahi ama phade tha ani ahum da dum loishalle Africa lebaki Rwanda da thoiba genocide chi Manipur gumna chahi ama phade tha ani ahum da dum loishallaga UN na phajana intervene tawraga loishinki adu akoi Manipur dadi hojik phausu shanti gi mami shi amta ude. We do not see any light at the far end of the tunnel. Adum akoi khatnaraga shunaraga adum loishinse haibra sidi yararoi akoi peace ki lambi da akoi changsan batai akoi peace ki lambi yet batai natradi akoi si pumang mangrani akoi Manipur da akoi leiriba leiminarba chinau naga kuki akoi michai mayam si handakti masi 3rd May da akoi sigumba palon tawba kansida akoi achetpa khongthang ama resolution ama lauraga akoi peace ki mayon lom changsan chi haina sumaina ai thamjani.